Okay, good morning. This morning we're going to try and get these houses finished. I know some of you have got second floors and some of you might want to try a roof. Both of those things are quite difficult to get right, but by all means have a go if you want to. I want to show you two things today. One is adding a room, the other is changing the size of the room, and then I'm going to leave you to decorate your houses and let me have them sometime today or over the weekend. Okay? So the first thing we're going to try to do is add a room on the outside of the house. So you see I've gone for the line tool here, and I'm just going to draw a little line, and this is going to show me where the size of this new room. And this little rectangle here, again because it's on the base, we can then pull out to create a new room. Okay, and it's just pulling out the base at the moment. Now, there's a real trick here, which is important, because what we don't want in these houses is for the walls to be double thickness. So, let me just show you. What we might normally do is take this to create the wall and offset it like that, and then when we pull the wall up, there's a problem, because you've got two walls here. You've got a double thickness. So we don't want to do that, and I'll show you the trick. So we're not offsetting the whole thing. What we're going to do is click the offset tool. Remember, this is about creating walls. And then we're going to select 3 of the walls only. So I'm going to click on that one. I'm going to hold Shift, which is a standard way on computers for selecting multiple things. So I'm going to hold Shift again and select that one. Now, if we offset, it's only offsetting 3 of the 4 walls. Can you see the difference? So you don't get the double wall effect. I'm going to go 0.2, and then I'm going to lift that wall, again holding Control so I keep my base. And then I'm going to type 2 because it's 2 meters. And then the final thing that you should always do is just to delete the connectors, because otherwise it's difficult to do anything else with them. So I'm going to delete that and delete that. Okay, so that's a nice way of adding a new room onto the edge of your house. We've kept the base, so we can still do things with that. The room has got same size walls and same height. Now, changing the size of the room. What if I thought this room was a bit too thin? I've got a door here, so I can't push this wall further than the door, but I can push it more or less as far as the door. Let's just see what happens. When I say push, I think I mean pull. So let's just see. I'm going to take that wall and pull it just to the door. And I'm going to do the same with this one, more or less. Just about judge that. Now, we've got this horrible thick wall here, so we've got to push it from the other side to make it at least approximately the right thickness. But I can already see that my this very thin room is going to be nicer, it's going to be bigger. Okay, so then I'm going to push that wall pretty much as far as I can so that the wall's about the right thickness. That's good. There's a couple of little tatty things left lying around there. We need to just take a look. What are they? Make sure they haven't messed anything up. No, they haven't. They're just lines on the floor where the door was. So we can delete those. So select, press delete. Select, press delete, just to tidy everything up. Okay. So now my very thin room is a much better size. And you could do that with any room you like. You can always measure the size, remember, to check that it's the same as your plan. This is slightly rough, isn't it? 2.62 meters. I'm sure that's exactly what I planned. Okay. And the final thing that you will probably want to do, once you've got your house looking nice and you've got it how you want, then the default view is this. So you get very few colours. So I've just clicked on the bucket tool. For very few colours, but I definitely want purple walls in here, all around and so on. But if you click on this one, which says Browse, then you can get all the other fabrics, bricks. So I'm going to put some bricks on the outside, if I can see the outside. So definitely we want bricks there, that's cool. And there. And then I'm going to put some carpet down. There's carpet. There we go. A lovely stripy carpet in this room here. Isn't that amazing? Have fun, guys. I look forward to seeing things. Please don't just click done. You must submit something. You must send something for me to see. You go up to the right side on the attachment and you attach your work, be it a picture or a Google Doc or whatever it is. Some of you are very good at it, some of you just say returned, and there's nothing to return, so I can't do anything with it. Okay? I will look and comment on everything you send me, but not if it's empty. Thank you, well done, enjoy.